So I have a brick mailbox. By that I mean there's a mailbox encased in brick. And when they built this, they didn't put me a flag out here. I just had to figure out how I was going to fit a flag. And I bought this plastic flag. Tried to put it in the side here. And over time you can see that the paint on it is worn out, it's faded, and it does not want to stay up. Any little wind blows it down, so it's always flapping down. So I looked online to see if I could find a creative solution, and I found this. This apparently will mount on my box like that. Apparently I just drill a few holes and go from there. I would like to also figure out how to put some kind of something magnetic to hold that flap from constantly just letting go. So yeah, I got to figure that part out too. But right now, I want to figure out how to mount this on, and I'll show you how this works. It basically, the little red thing sticks out like this and says mail. So when the mailman comes by, they can see it says mail. So yeah, I'll have to mount this and then take this off, which I believe I can do. So let's open this up. Alright, so I'm going to open this up, kind of look and see what's inside. I've got a good feeling. I know what is in there, but we're going to see anyway. So yeah, it's just 2 screws. They have a nut on the back. I'll make sure I have a wrench to match. And I'll take my drill so that I can pre-drill a hole into the metal. And then I'll take my other, well, maybe I could do that with a hand tool, just tighten them with a screwdriver and a wrench. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, this one's pretty simple. It needs a 9mm wrench for the bolt on the back, the nut on the back, and just a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and line this up. Hey neighbor. You want it facing that way or that way? Oh, that way looks better. Alright, we're going to call that done. That's removed. I did brush that off a good bit. I'll go out here and clean it a little later, get some more of that grime off of there. That's from where some dirt daubers have tried to build a nest. But I like my little flag. This is my new little flag. It'll go like this. Boom! It says, "You got mail." And then, boom! Now we don't. Now I just got to figure out how to keep my door from opening. I gotta do something here. I'm thinking maybe with magnets, something to get this to where it'll catch better, because I come by here a lot of times and this thing's wide open. But anyway, that's a good start. I'm gonna call that done. Thanks for watching.